It's amazing what you're doing with Baking Band, and I've had a very beautiful experience. I've never baked in my life before, so this is really good.
Thank you. That's what we want everybody to, enjoy. And, even if you haven't baked before, just come here. We would make it a pleasant one for you. And when you go home, you can start baking. And the fear is gone. And then don't worry, let your kitchen be messy and you clean it up.
Amazing. So what really prompted you to start the Baking Band? I want to know your story.
Okay, right from while I was young, I was that kid that would take sand and, put it inside pot and then bake meat pie or something, but it would be raw inside, and outside would be done. It was just like that. I loved baking, not cooking necessarily, but like baking, just doing different things. But growing up, I didn't stumble into baking, even though I enjoyed baking while I was small. But what happened was, it was COVID. Yeah, COVID happened. And then one of my neighbors were just talking about how they wanted to have donuts and stuff like that. And I'm like, oh, I can make donuts. And I made the donuts and they loved it.
Wow.
And they were like, neighbor, because they used to call me neighbor. They were like, neighbor, you can start selling this. And during COVID, I just started selling like to people around the neighborhood, and they just started buying it, and that was how it started. And by the way, I was self-taught. I used to learn on YouTube and then just check. But the main reason why we started Baking Band, the experience, was because I lost my mom to cancer, and then baking was one of the things that helped me heal. And then, when God blessed me to a certain level, I'm like, okay, you know what? I can also share this with people. People can, find joy in baking, because people are stressed. People go through different things.
Yes.
And so I just felt, since if baking is therapeutic to me, so it could also be therapeutic to other people, and you don't have to do it at the comfort of your house and be messy and be bothered about cleaning up and all of that. Just come here and you would enjoy it.
Thank you for sharing that experience. Yeah, final thoughts and final words for those that are aspiring to be business owners like you and entrepreneurs like you too, that want to go into baking or want to be, a top-notch baker like Miss Bunmi here. So tell us.
I'm a very blunt and honest person. If you don't have, like they'll say, if you don't get body, no put body. Because, half of your day you're screaming, shouting, well, maybe because me, I scream and I shout, but like I'm controlling now. But honestly, if you want to go into any type of business at all, you just have to first of all have that mindset that, I'm ready to do this. I'm ready to go in, and you are going to be tested. Like, I'm still being tested in some ways. Like, I still keep thinking about, am I doing the right thing? Am I doing the wrong thing? And don't be scared to fail. I've tried other businesses before I finally started baking. So don't be scared to fail. And once you see that something is not working, don't dwell in it because, you are thinking, what will people say? Pick yourself.
Yeah.
Move on to the next. You will take the lessons from there and then just move on. And honestly, entrepreneurship is a very good experience, but then it comes with a whole lot of
it comes
with a whole lot. I'm not sleeping well at night thinking because but don't worry, you're welcome. Come to our league, come to our and come and face what we are facing. But like they always say, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. Me self, I never reached that tunnel, the end of that tunnel, but I'm hoping that very soon I'll see the lights.
Definitely, very, very soon. The light is sure. For sure, definitely. So if you are a business owner, entrepreneur, startup, content creator, whatever talent you have, start. Don't wait for anybody. Yeah, don't wait for anyone to give you the go ahead. You just need to start. You don't need anybody's approval.
Yeah.
Be like Miss Bunmi and do your thing. Even though you want to run the mental and continue pushing. On next episode of K Sisters Content, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, Miss Bunmi.
Bye. It was nice having you guys.
Yeah. Ciao.
Bye.